visionary.
Oh, yeah. It was,
A movie
sinabi ko agad was end of an
She will
era.
be greatly
Parang-
missed, as I said. She will always be
Kasi big
icon in the
big chunk
movie
of my life
industry,
talaga
never
with
forgotten,
mother,
always
no?
referenced.
My
And it is
hard days, hard times, bad times.
And to her children,
Mother
the ones
was
that I
there
know,
talaga. Si mother yung,
may inaanak na
kasi iba yung nagtatagumpay ka na sa buhay, pero yung gumagapang ka, si mother yung kasama ko.
Anong ano to? Mga panahon to yung sinasabi mong gumagapang at ano yung part ni Mother?
The whole of the 80s talaga. The whole 80s. Kasi people think that after Bagets, it was just all flowers and, good. No. After Bagets was, Bagets, I did Hot Shots, and then I did Miguelito, 86, 87, and then, parang, I was gone for like 4 years. People didn't know. Only the people from the industry parang ang nakakaalam na noon, but sa fanbase din nila alam yun. So, akala nila tahimik lang ako noon, but I was going through a lot. I was depressed, I was down, no one was getting me, si mother lang.
Talaga? Anong advice ang binigay ni Mother that time?
No, she wasn't really, basta tulong lang siya ng tulong. Sabi ko nga kayo sa salita ko, parang it came to a point even that nawalan ako ng mga kotse, binigyan ako ni mother ng
Alright,
kotse.
maraming pong salamat.
Ano na ako na to? Mga 89, 90 yun. 89, 90. Pag-shoot ako ng legal movie sa kanya, wala akong kotse. I would just borrow my dad's car. And umabot sa gano'n, nawalan ako, gano'n. And then, si mother was there. So, I'll buy you a car. Gano'n, shooting ka lang. Binigyan niya ako. Tapos, sabi ko, after mga 1 year for kay mother, wala akong, I live with my dad, my parents. It's like, gano'n. Basta, binigyan niya ako ng condo in Ortigas, bagong-bago pa yung Ortigas area na yan. So, doon ako, 90, yung ginagawa ko yung movie namin na may minamahal with Aiko, may minamahal kami ni Leia, bakit tapos kita mahal, forever kami ni Mike. Yung mga years na that was really prime time ko, yung 91, 92, 93, 94, nakatira ako sa magandang lugar because of mother.
Bakit ganun yung relationship
Ganyan
ni
siya.
Mother?
Ganyan naman yata siya sa lahat eh. Because she's always believed in me. Sinasabi niya, Aga, maging professional ka. Kasi nagre-rebelde ako ng bata ako. Parang, magtrabaho ka, nagsipag ka, ano ka ba? Tapos pagkagalitan ako niya, pag hindi ako dumarating sa sushi shooting, natawag yan, nagagalit. Oo, gano'n siya. Ikaw talaga, ganyan to. Punta ka talaga gano'n. So,
Nanay na nanay
talaga siya.
Pero never kang nagalit kay Mother.
No. Hindi. Kasi walang tumutulong siya parati. Walang libra. Mario de los Reyes, kamo si Aga, Abel Borado, Joy Boy Monte, Aga sa, kaya nung pangalawang, pwede ko sabihin, may comeback in 91. Star Cinema na yung ginagawa ko, Viva. Kasi mother, gawa pa kami ng movie ni Vilma, Sinungaling Mong Puso, Regal Films yun. So bumalik ako sa kanya noon for that, which is like a big box office also, and we won awards there. So ganun si mother sa akin. So, pero may contract pa ako sa kanya. Marami pa akong movie sa kanya. Eh pinabayaan niya lang. Parang pinabayaan niya lang ako sa Star Cinema, Viva, sila na yung ginagawa ko lahat, ABS na ako noon. So, I still had contracts with her. Pero siya, okay lang. Tapos, nung nakita kami ulit, how are you? I'm happy for you, ganyan. You're, big time ka na. Big time ka na. Ikaw, ingatan mo yan. Ganun siya.
So, ano sa tingin mo yung mga mamimiss ng present generation na hindi
Wala nang ganyan. Wala na. The present generation doesn't even know about her, I think. So, nasa puso na lang namin lahat yung experience na yun. I mean, that our experience with Mother Lily. There's only I don't say this because she's gone, but in my heart, people know that. Even the kids, sila Rosel, sila Don, alam nila lahat yan. Alam nila malaking pag-isara si Mother. Alam nila, even Tita Ethel, I met through Mother. Lahat ng press ko sa legal, yun nagagalit sa akin kasi Mother sinabi, tulungan mo yan si Aga, ikaw magano dyan. Ganon yun.